And have you like done an 80/20 analysis to figure out the top grossing client and what
Yes.
sectors they're in, and whether it's worthwhile to double down on those sectors and hive off the rest?
Yes. We have. So the property management clients are the biggest ones.
Yeah.
And in fact, they are currently asking if we can, I mean, well, asking him, telling us if we could also, support them in other cities and etc. Well, of course, we aren't
Perfect.
ready for that, yeah,
Perfect.
that would be the first they want to double down on.
Okay, great. Yeah, because then I would really focus on that as a niche. And I think if it is property managers, as you're looking to scale up into facilities management, that you're instantly going to be able to offer them a range of additional services as you've rolled up these additional services, right?
Exactly.
Which is a win-win. But yeah, I mean, if you've done that, I definitely speak with the clients to get feedback as to what their expectation is in terms of service delivery, but also what else they need support in that you might be able to help them with. Do you provide janitor, or does this company provide janitorial supplies?
Not at the moment, I believe. Yeah, not at the
Okay.
moment. But that's
Um,
something we could get.
Yeah, and again, this doesn't have to be core business, but you can contract out. So, which is where the contracts manager, actually, no, the operations manager will come in quite handy. But yeah, I think as a first port of call, as you talk to clients about switching payments, obviously getting some feedback on service delivery, where improvements can be made, where changes can be made, and what else you can look to provide them as you go forward in the long run as well, and support them across these other cities.
We'll do that. I think this has been very useful for me.